So hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. So today we will be doing a very simple recipe, which will be with my young boy John Matrix Albina. They're gonna show you how to cook a crab. So this is just a very simple recipe. So all we need is just garlic. So we have the butter, and of course we have the two crabs. Rawr. So yep, we just recently bought this one, and it's just very pricey or expensive. So each one cost us $10 each. So 10 Australian dollars each. So we only bought two. So we're gonna show you how John Matrix is gonna cook the crab with just a butter and garlic. So this is just a very simple recipe. Crab. So John Matrix, my young boy, gonna cook these two crabs. So let's go. Okay. Okay, guys. My young boy is on the floor. So okay. So you're gonna put the butter on. Yep. Just the butter first. Yep. Yep. And then just keep stir. Yep, until it melts. So John Matrix is the one who can cook crab. Yes. So up until the butter melts down, okay? And then you're gonna put the garlic. I think around 10. Yeah. So my young boy is he just recently told me that his one of the biggest dream is to become a chef. So he asked me to buy two crabs and then he gonna cook it by himself. So let's go. You have to speak loud though. Yes. So let me put the mic. Yes. Okay. Yes. You have the mic. Yep. Now you are a chef. Okay.
Dad, it's bubbling
Yeah.
like a bubble man.
Okay. Now you can put the garlic.
Garlic.
Put it on. Yep. Yes. See?
Do I spread it around
Yeah.
now? The butter is not that much now. I hear it sizzling bigger. Daddy, Daddy, do I smash the garlic?
Yeah. No. Don't need to smash. Just leave it. So up until the garlic turns gold, then we're gonna dip the crabs.
Like this one? Like
Yes.
that, this one?
Yep.
Maybe like, I don't know why I have to do this.
Okay. Now you can dip the crabs.
How?
Do this one. Okay.
Like that? What if it
Yeah.
pinches me?
No. It's already dead. So you gotta put the other one.
Dead?
You hold. You're gonna hold.
Do I?
You hold the saddle.
What?
Yep. So
Shadow?
yep.
Okay.
Okay. Put the crab.
Which one?
Yep.
Which one? That one?
Yep.
How do I hold it like that?
Yep.
Uh, okay. Do I
Yep. Just
put it all the
yep.
way?
Just put it gently. Yep. Just drop. Okay. Cool. And then the other one facing that way. So that
Where?
way.
that like a different way?
Yes. Okay. So that's the crab. Okay, now we're gonna put garlic salt blend. Okay, just a bit. We're just pouring into it. Oh, over here, over here.
Do I that?
No,
that
that's not it.
yeah, but do I
That's
that
not
good enough?
crab.
That's good enough.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna put the lid on.
Lid.
Add more.
Okay. Where
Okay. Now we're gonna let it sit for how many minutes?
like 5 minutes.
5 minutes. How many minutes?
5.
5 minutes.
Like hello.
Okay, guys. We've done the crab. So in 10, how many minutes? What's cooking time?
You did it in 10 minutes
So 10 minutes. Yeah, the crab is done. So
instead of 5 minutes.
yes. Can you smell it? Oh, smells really good.
Smells like a regular
Oh,
one.
and the good thing is you cook this one by yourself, right? So it's time to attack. Okay?
Why do you say it?
So we're gonna eat it now, okay? We're gonna eat the one,
I
and
don't
I
know.
think the other one we're gonna give to Ataya, okay?
Okay.
So John Matrix has
What's this?
first
Ow.
recipe, which is
What's this?
crab, steamed
Where'd you
crab
put-
with butter,
Where did
okay?
Is the other crab in the still in steaming? Like what is this? How do I oh, do I how do I eat this? I don't
So we're gonna peel off this
arm
one.
arm
Yeah.
or like I don't know.
Yes. Looks so yummy.
Well, I don't know.
Wow. Mm,
Look at this.
this is very, very yummy.
Are you gonna be opening the
Yeah. So you're gonna
body?
bite the leg. It's crunchy, right? Mm. Yum.
Oh no.